Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a football cake for game day. Here I have a box of the Pillsbury Moist Supreme chocolate cake. Also I have chocolate fudge icing, a vanilla green icing, and a regular vanilla icing. Okay guys, so we're going to be making our cake according to the instructions on the back of the box. So of course we have our cake mix. Then we're going to be using 1 cup of water, 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs. Okay guys, so now we're going to add our eggs to our cake mix, our oil, and also our water. Okay guys, I have our hand mixer, and now I'm going to beat our cake mix on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay guys, once we're done mixing our cake mix, I have a football cake pan right here. I have it sitting on top of a baking sheet. So all I'm going to do now is get some non-stick cooking spray and spray it well. I'm using a butter flavored non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour my cake mix in. Okay guys, now that I have my cake mix in my pan, I'll be baking it at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay guys, our cake is now done, so I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and let it cool off before I take it out of the pan. Okay guys, now that my cake has cooled off, I'm just going to take my knife and I'll be cutting straight across to make this flat before I take it out of our pan. Okay guys, now you can see that I cut straight across so the surface will be flat. I'm going to flip it over onto a cooling rack and we're going to let it cool completely off. Okay guys, now I'm going to let it cool off for about 10 to 15 more minutes before I can ice it. Okay guys, once our cake has cooled completely, all I'm going to do now is go in with my chocolate fudge icing and ice it. Okay guys, I'm now done with the chocolate icing. So now I have vanilla icing. That's going to be used to make the stitches on the football. So I have my piping bag and also a number 12 tip. Excuse the Christmas piping bag, I ran out of the regular ones. So all I'm going to do now is fill it with the vanilla icing. Okay guys, I have my piping bag filled with the vanilla icing. Now I'm just going to make our stitching onto our cake. And all you're going to do is squeeze down, come straight across. Okay guys, so I'm done with the vanilla icing. Now we're going to move to the green icing so we can put some grass around the football. So I'm going to do the same thing, fill a piping bag up with my green icing. And I will be using a number 105 tip. Okay guys, so I have my piping bag filled with my green icing. And all we're going to do is go around the football. Just like that. To make it look like it's sitting in grass. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our game day football cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.